sinabi sa akin he has no plans of leaving the city.
Okay. So, anong oras po ulit yung huling usap nito?
Siguro mga tansya lang po ito
Apa.
kasi I have no idea, I was so tired. Siguro mga midnight or 1 a.m.
Tapos yung huling usapan nyo, yung no plans.
That's his last statement kasi naawa siya sa mga kasama niya sa Senado kung baka kailanganin ng boto niya raw for something critical.
Ako. Kung sakaling sir, unconfirmed pa lang siya sir, sakaling totoo sir, anong magiging strategy niya or implications na kaya is that meron bang may liabilities mo ba sa ganun?
Well, that's why I'm here now. We're still going to plan kung kami ay sisik again for the interim reliefs as promised by the Supreme Court, which was still available as stated in their order.
Sir, were you able to talk to Senator Bato before coming here? Or ngayon nyo pa lang po i-confirm?
No, I was talking to my team. Pero wala naman silang sinasabi.
So you have no idea po right now if he's here or not?
My knowledge is that he's here and he has no plans of leaving. But let me check for you para may personal knowledge ako.
Thank you, Attorney. Yeah.